Did you know that cutting fabric and engaging in hands-on creativity can instantly, and I'm going to repeat, instantly calm your nervous system? This DIY project is more than just a cute pom-pom cheerleader. It's a fun, mindful way to release stress while upcycling scrap fabrics into something joyful and full of purpose. Let's jump right in. So here we have the fabric scraps. I'm using knit because I have so many pieces from other projects that I used. So here I am kind of selecting and seeing the size I want with the pieces I already have. And I am cutting them and slicing them. At this point, I am just cutting. There's something incredibly soothing about cutting fabric, especially in these repetitive motions. So it's not just about prepping the strips for our pom-poms. It's also about engaging the senses and calming the nervous system and bringing the mind into a state of flow. The sound of the rotary cutter and the rhythm of slicing through fabric, it kind of all works together to quiet stress and also boost focus. And then I'm cutting strips about 11 to 12 inches long and roughly an inch wide. Because we are using knit fabric, there's no fraying, which makes this project even more effortless and enjoyable. If you had a long day, trust me, cutting fabric, just like this, is the perfect way to release the tension. Even watching and looking at it, it feels good. Now that we have our strips, I'm going to layer about 11 to 12 of them together. The idea here is to create a full, fluffy pom-pom with plenty of movement. I'm making 3 of these layered pieces per pom-pom, so the final result has a nice full shape. I'm kind of roughly measuring the center, I'm securing it, and then I am taking them over to my sewing machine. I'm going to stitch straight down the center using the longest stitch length. The goal here is just to secure the layers together so they stay in place. Now, for the handle, instead of tossing out old compression socks, I am repurposing them into bands. I'm cutting the sock into strips to create stretchy ties. These will be perfect for securing our pom-poms together. And it's also another way to upcycle what you already have. Now let's bring it all together. I will take at least 3 of my sewn strips and stack them on top of each other. Then I will use my compression sock band to wrap around the center. To secure it, I'm passing one end of the band through the middle of the looped ends, then wrapping it around twice before pulling it snug. This keeps everything tightly in place while still allowing for some flexibility. Once it's secure, just fluff out the strips . Let's do it one more time. I'm stacking the 3 of my sewn strips together. And then I'm passing one end of the band through the middle of the loop end. And then wrapping it around twice before pulling it snug. Then again, this is to keep everything tightly in place while you're still allowing for flexibility. And there you have it, a handmade upcycle fabric pom-pom ready to bring some cheer. Whether you're rooting for your favorite team, making a fun gift, or just looking for a creative way to unwind, this project is a simple and joyful way to use up fabric scraps while you're reducing stress. So, who are you cheering for? Let me know in the comments. Oh, that's so cute. I am in love with this. I gave it as a gift. And if you try this project, tag me. I'd love to see your pom-poms in action. My friend, happy sewing, happy cheering, and most importantly, happy crafting. And I am here cheering for you. You got this.